Now we're ready to repot our elephant bush. So I'll pull away these bamboo skewers and get started. So we'll lift this up out of the soil. It's pretty loose to begin with. And I'll shake a little bit of the soil loose and grab my rake, my mini rake, and just start breaking away some of the soil from the root system. And we'll just loosely pick at this till we get a chunk of the dirt kind of pulled away and freed up, so the root system can be just repotted in our bonsai soil. Okay, that's fine. Let's set that guy aside. I'm going to dump my potting soil, and we'll use this for a normal pot, normal plant, a non-bonsai pot. How's that? Okay. So let's set this aside. I'm going to cut a little piece of mesh for the bottom of this pot, and with a 2mm 100 gauge wire. Start with we just do a little U shape, feed it into the wire like so, and then just like that. I'm going to bend these out, and then what that does is it keeps the bonsai soil from filtering out. Now I'm going to cut enough wire to tie the root down. So let me gauge. I secured it down there, and it came to here. And let's just say that might be more than enough to work with. Okay, so let's do that. And now I will feed this through the bottom here. Okay, so now we've got a way to secure the root of the bonsai. Alright, so I'm going to get our bonsai soil and right back. I've got my bonsai soil. Let's see how big our root is. Okay, I think we can work something like that. Okay. Throw that extra in there. Okay. So I'll just set this aside. Make some room in the center here. More in here. We ended up using that whole box, or that whole bag of okay, let's get our wire, and there is this aquarium tubing that I'm going to cut a few bits off to help protect the roots. So as the bonsai grows, it doesn't cut into the trunk. Just a little extra protection. Go. Now let's make sure I've got these pulled up as much as I can from the bottom, so there's no extra give. All right. Now I'm going to wrap these around. And then twist my wire. And should I get it tight enough? Pliers. My fingers aren't that strong. I'm just going to tuck that down in there. You don't need to really cut it at this point. Okay. There we go. Alright, let's fill this one here. Okay. There's that. Now we're going to do our wiring. So I'm going to clean up what mess we've got here. and we'll get ready to do our wiring.